just want the honeys with the blue faces, blue bottles, blue beamer, speed racer, money team, MVP, team player, ballin' like Steph Curry, let the green lay.
Tutorial on how to create cover page. So we're gonna go to Canva.com. We're gonna put in our custom dimensions. For 6x9, we're gonna go 12.50 by 9.25, and we need to choose that in inches, and we create a new design. Okay, so I've created one already. When we create the new design, we're going to name it 6x9 journal book, because that's going to be our template. All right, so when you put in those dimensions, this is the size you should get. So then what we're going to do is we're going to type in custom dimensions again, and we're going to put in 6.25 by 9.25 for our individual page in inches. When we do that, we'll get our front page that we'll start designing. Front page will look something like this, which I've already created. So this is 6x9 My Beauty checklist. I chose these flowers, just random. Okay, I'm going to download this design in a PNG. Okay, so that's downloaded. The reason why I feel this is the best way is because you can determine if this is centered correctly. All right, so look, you see your line. You can see this is where it's in the middle of the book. If you want it to be right in the middle, right centered, that's what you'll have. Okay, let's see, download that one because I centered it. And then what you could do is make the same copy of this, go into File and say Make Copy. And when you do that, then you'll start the process of your back cover. And your back cover is going to be the same 6x9, 6x25 by 9.25. And here I just made a quick little logo, Amazing Beauty Publishing. And then what we'll do is that's pretty much already centered for us. There it is. Boom. And we're going to download in PNG. Okay. So what we're going to do is going to go back out to our create space where our designs are at. And we're going to choose a 6x9 journal book. That's blank. We're going to go to upload. We're going to upload the images that we just downloaded. Take a quick second to upload. So then we're going to take the first picture, take it all the way over to the right, stretch it out to where it touches the top, and stretch it out to where it touches the bottom. Perfect. Move it over. Perfect. Then we're going to take the back, move it over to the left. We're going to stretch it over till it touches the bottom. And as you see, it touches the front of the cover immediately when it touches the bottom, which makes it perfect. So then what we're going to do is download. I'm going to download for print PDF. Okay, and then we go to our download folder. And now we have our book cover. Easy, centered, no issues. We should have no issues whatsoever. So that's how you do that. Next, we're going to test the same thing using Keynote. Go in here with white. We want to get the dimensions for Keynote. And Keynote says we need 900 points by 666 points, 666 points. So we're going to put that in. Going to go to Document, Custom Slide. And that was, let's get those numbers again, 900 by 666. 900 by 606. I think I did that right. Yeah. Okay. We're going to remove this double click and edit completely out. Those designs that we created, my beauty checklist, we're going to pull those in one by one that we use from Canva. Place that here. Place that here. And as you see, once again, it's perfect with just a very little space in between the pages. All right. And just to make sure that we're on point, I'm going to download this print ready template, which you should already have a copy of. And I'm going to drop it right in here. And now you see everything is perfect. No issues whatsoever. So there you have it, how to create your book cover. I probably would move this over a little bit, but it seemed like it was perfect when we did it in Canva. But even then, I could just kind of move this over just a little bit to make me feel like it's centered. And then I could remove this and see all I have is just a little bit of white space that will be on the spine, or I could very well just make this larger, do something like this. So okay, so me doing that, that's done. And we go here to export to PDF. And then we go check our PDF. We go book cover. And let's go look at that. What did that say too? Right here. Book cover. So voila, we have our book cover that is ready to be uploaded